Whereas the National Assembly of Pakistan notes with immense satisfaction and pride the landmark diplomatic breakthrough in form of cessation of hostilities and signing of an agreement on a framework for peace and stability between the United States of America and the Islamic Republic of Iran. Whereas the House recognizes the negative fallout of the conflict for the regional peace and stability as well as for the economic stability and energy security of the countries across the globe. Now, therefore, the National Assembly of Pakistan unanimously resolves as follows. The House places on record its profound appreciation for the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, Deputy Prime Minister, Senator Muhammad Ishaq Dar, Interior Minister Syed Mohsen Naqvi and Field Marshal Syed Asam Munir, and the entire team engaged in the process of negotiation. Their sincere and tireless efforts positioned Pakistan as a trusted, neutral mediator on the global stage. The House also congratulates and appreciates the leadership of Islamic Republic of Iran and United States of America for successful completion and signing of this historic peace deal.
Now I put the resolution to the House. The question is that the resolution as moved be adopted. All those in favor of the resolution may say aye. Aye. All those against it may say no. I think ayes have it. Consequently, resolution is adopted unanimously.